Whop how to make money. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to whopp.com and click Create Your Whop. Sign up using Google or email, and you'll enter your seller dashboard where everything starts. Set up your store by adding a name, logo, and short description. Choose what you want to sell, like digital products, memberships, or services. You can offer ebooks, Notion templates, Discord access, or coaching. Click Add Product. To start creating your offer, give it a name, set the price, and upload your file or link. Whop supports one-time payments and subscriptions. Then customize your landing page, add an image, description, highlights, and FAQs. Whop will automatically generate a clean product page for you. Now go to Settings, Payouts, and connect Stripe or PayPal so you can get paid directly. Once your product is ready, copy your link and promote it on TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter. Use short videos or content that shows the value of what you're selling. You can also enable affiliate tools or Whop clippings to earn more and reach wider audiences. Whop handles the rest, so you can focus on building and selling.